We got a panel lift. Just heard the air horn. Got a little bit of a late start filming it, but let's take a look here. See, I see some workers over here. I'm assuming it's going to settle in, I think, in this area. This area. It's hard to tell with the viewfinder, but we'll just wait and see. So you can see this one's got that A-frame. I'm gonna wait for it to swing on over. Where it started, it's gonna have to kind of do a 180-degree turn to swing it over to its final destination, which I'm still not sure where it'll be going. Right now, it's still sort of hovering. It's really high. I pull back, but there's gonna be some trees in the way here. And we got a pretty good wind going. Still waiting for this guy, and then look down below. Got another little crane. I think it's been throwing up some supplies, like some small little crates or whatever. There's kind of a little indicator there with the wind. The crane that's currently holding this panel, waiting to be dropped in. Okay, now this thing's being re-rotated back to where it's doing like a reverse 180 now. I'm not sure what's going on. Look directly below, let's see. I guess we got some crew down here. These boys will be alright, here we go. Ropes there on some of the corners that they can grab onto to help guide it in once it gets close enough. I believe I watched this happen once or twice. But yeah, there you go. Got another one of these sort of A-frame. I don't even know if that's the technical term. For me. Okay, yeah, I see a guy there. A couple guys there. Grab and hold. Whoa, it's windy. So yeah, I don't know how difficult this is, because we do have winds, gusts maybe, I don't know, 15 miles an hour. Not terrible, but I'm sure it's not all that easy for this operator and the other technicians. gotten us in safely without a hitch. It looks like it's just about there. Extreme zoom here. Pretty nice and clear day today. I mean, not clear, but there was a little bit of sprinkles, but mostly sunny skies with not much threat of rain right now. That's good. You can see some more work going on the tip, southern tip. Got a few workers on there. That noise you've been hearing are these Earthmovers, dirt scrapers. They're just kind of like continuously coming by, doing their thing. And here it comes, them rolling through. A lot of air horns. Which again signifies things being hoisted up. It's kind of a alert of caution. It's a pretty busy day today. It's good. It's good because I'm getting a lot of criticism. This place not looking finished compared to Allegiant, which I tend to agree with. But I know this place is a little bit more complicated. But still, I know it's a year behind what it should be. Everybody's anxious. an overall view. And the wind's really picking up. Oh, there it is. Looks like it's set in place. Another one down. Still got quite a few more. I'll have to check the webcam. Boy, this wind is annoying. Watch your step. See some ETFE.